Election 2025 at Stanes School. 4 parties, Never Lose Mankind, United Hands, Youth Democratic League, and Freedom for World, competed in the election. All candidates conducted canvassing in a disciplined and proper manner.
The election date was officially announced by the election commissioner, and polling booths along with necessary arrangements were set up smoothly.
Students of Grade 5 led the election coverage. Police ensured the election process was smooth, assisting not only with crowd control, but also helping students with disabilities at the booths.
Whenever issues arose at the polling booths, the police promptly resolved them.
In exclusive coverage, the principal of Stanes CBSE visited the polling station to cast her vote.
The counting of votes went on without any issues, and NLMK was declared the winning party.